US30 stayed bearish again. It has dropped below the critical support at 32,900 and now marching towards the next support at 32,800. In the morning update, I told you very clearly that the probability of the drop exists strong, and we can see it towards 32,800, and below that 32,600 levels can also be expected. But Nasdaq 100 is one which has tried to, because it has seen a good drop. In fact, the market closed yesterday from US, and since then it has dropped strongly, and that is why the retracement is a bit faster, and that is why we can see US 100 is staying towards 14,250, 260 levels. So now what to expect from Dow Jones and Nasdaq, which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Yes, there is a data coming in from US before the market open itself. The GDP data and the PCE prices, these two definitely will bring volatility here in the markets, and thus you have to stay cautious and alert here. So how to profit trading the data, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Let's start. If you are new to the channel, do like, share, subscribe and comment. If you are not subscribed, do subscribe, and your every like, share and comment is a great motivation, inspiration for me to deliver to the best of my abilities. Now if you look at US 100 on the hourly charts, see, after forming the bottom, it has tried to retrace, and now this is the first breakout candle. Now this is trying to reverse. We can see a further drop from here, in fact, and there is a probability that we can see once it stays below 14,170, we can look forward to 100, 110 zone, and then we will look forward to 14,000 levels. Now see, after retracing here, this is the first red candle, and thus successive red candles from here cannot be denied. Be watchful here. But also one must note, see, this is the line which is giving it a support. We have shown you this is the bottom of the channel which we are tracking since long, and these levels are certainly critical. The stochastic has reached the top, trying to look downwards. MACD has crossed over, tried to trade with divergence. It can converge, cross over and go into a selling position, but right now it is still bullish. RSI is oversold, and it is already staying at oversold levels. So see, the chances here for a recovery will be strong, but if you look at the charts, it is suggestive of, see, couple of greener candles and the reversal here, possibly staying below 14,200. More bearishness may take it till towards 170, 110, 120 zone, and below that more bearishness to be seen. Too much of divergence of the price from the moving average calls for it to converge, but 14,400 is a distant dream, and what it has done, it has waited for the moving average to come down, but again trying to trade bearish. Stochastic rising, MACD has seen a conversion, but it has not yet crossed over, and yes, MACD is already at a very lower levels, and hence a little retracement can be expected, but right now not showing any signs. RSI oversold, so almost all the indicators are showing oversold for Tech 100 as of now. Look at the 3-hour charts. Likewise, see, preceding candle was a greener candle, and the body size is also greater than half of this, suggests that there is bullishness. This candle has opened flat, but it is trying to achieve higher lows. So once you see the price is staying above 14,250, one can initiate a buying position, but it is only above 14,300 where the bullishness is confirmed. Thus take a position above 14,300 and expect to rise. Else right now it is staying bearish. Below 14,200, possibly more bearishness may prevail towards 14,170 and 14,120 levels. Stochastic oversold, trying to come out of the oversold. MACD is still trading with bearishness, trading divergent. RSI is still oversold. Coming to 4 hour. Now on the 4-hour charts, yes, there is a reversal sign. Higher highs, lower lows. Now lower lows suggest 14,150. See, 170, 150, very good support, and then 120, 100, the next support zone. Only below 100, we can expect that Nasdaq 100 is moving towards 14,000 levels. The stochastic oversold here. MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI is over. Now let's have a look at the daily chart. See, after the retracement, this is the first red candle, and today is the second successive red candle here. Now remember, it is almost reversing from the bottom of the channel, and yes, the candle is outside Bollinger Bands, and this calls for a probable pullback. But see, first red candle and hence second red candle, and if you even consider half the size of this candle, which 200 points of move at least, which suggests that possibly it can go closer towards 14,000 levels today. There is a probability to it. Right now it is staying bearish. It can stress the drop a little downside, and hence below 14,200 more bearishness, and below 14,150 levels certainly we can look forward to 14,100 and 14,000 levels. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI at bottom. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy today at 14,250, where you can wait for it to break out beyond 14,300. It is only and only if prices stays above 14,300, you should treat this for a reversal towards 14,400 levels, else it is going to stay bearish. But things are oversold, indicators are oversold, and hence a little recovery cannot be denied here. On the downside, below 14,200, we can expect 14,170, 150 zone as the first support, 14,100, 120 as the next, and below that 14,000 levels to be breached. Take your trades accordingly. And before we proceed to Dow, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. Just visit the platform www.forexfunder.com. This is my own platform created with a vision to provide everything required to a trader under a single umbrella, where whether be it economic calendar, whether be it charts and indicators and the markets data, live market data is available. You can search your favorite index commodity or anything which you want to look for, create your own charts, create your own analysis. Yes, you can also consult with me, you can book a call with me, you can consult for any of your existing positions or a futuristic trade you want to get the guidance on. Yes, here under announcement you will find my mentorship batch details. This is the curriculum, and you can register here, you can book your seats now by paying at the same website. Yes, there is an interesting feature where you get the forums, where you find the latest update from my side and along with the summaries. For example, see, you can see these many trades here, and you can find the summary of the videos which I release. Everything is available, the targets are mentioned, you can have a discussion here, initiate a discussion, watch the video as well. So just visit the platform www.forexfunder.com for more details. Now let's have a look at that. Now first look at US30 here, 33,000 acted as a wall. 20, it waited for the moving average to come towards 33,000, touching those levels, it has reversed immediately. Now it is trading below the support levels at 33,900. Remember, 33,900 were the great support here. It is now trading below 33,900, and we can look forward to the next targets at 32,800. Once the prices stays below 32,800, do not see for a buying in US30. It is going to crash towards 32,600 levels. Remember this fact, if it stays below 32,800. So every rise which will be an opportunity to sell. 33,000 is the only level beyond which you can initiate a buying position. Stochastic looking down, MACD divergent and bearish. RSI is also hitting the bottom here. On the 2-hour charts, if you look at, see, the preceding candle is equally important. All the candles getting the push from 33,000 levels suggest that there is bearishness. This candle closed at bottom and then this breakout. So we are looking at least 32,800 levels, and below that more bearishness. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI at bottom. Likewise on the 3, similar observation here on the 3-hour charts, where you can find a breakout now below 32,900 levels. As long as it stays below 32,920, we can stay short, we can expect 32,800 levels, and only above 33,000 is where I will recommend you to buy. Stochastic oversold, MACD has crossed over and it is trading with divergence. It can possibly accelerate it a bit. RSI is also trying to trade bearish. Likewise on the 4-hour chart, similar observation here. Stochastic oversold, MACD crossing over for a sell, RSI at bottom. And on the daily charts, if you now, this is why I told that do not think of buying US30 here. It is giving a breakout and it may continue, and still I am saying it may further continue to trade on the downside. At least 32,800 will be there, and I will be looking forward to 32,600 as well. So just be watchful, just be cautious. Only buying entry today is above 33,000, 33,020 levels, beyond which you can expect a complete reversal towards 33,200, 250 levels, and beyond that sky is the limit towards 33,400. So as long as these levels are respected, do not think of buying US30. I will expect, if you are buying at 32,920, be careful of 960 and 33,020. Any move beyond 33,020 is where the bulls are back, and at the same time on the downside I will right now look forward to 32,800, and below 32,800 the next target is 32,600 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Join the platform www.forexfunder.com, and let's carry over our discussion at the platform. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Be cautious with the trades.